Hey guys, so what I got here are Skinners. Now I've been going back and forth about buying these for, 2 years, a year at least. These things are minimalist shoes. Now what they really are is socks kind of with a shoe bottom on them. And I've been kind of holding off buying them for a long time, and I'll let you know the reason why I actually bought them now. Because they're kind of just a weird little minimalist shoe, but the price is kind of high. The price is about $60, which doesn't sound too high for shoes, but I have minimalist shoes that were $25, $30, and then I have my regular shoes. I've worn these shoes for 5 years, and these are my Merrell Moab Rovers, and they're like new, and I love these shoes, but I wanted something that was more for kind of water shoes, walking on the beach, maybe walking around a campsite, stuff like that. And although these are expensive, 60 bucks, I decided to give them a try. Now their reviews are kind of mixed. Some people say they love them. I've seen people saying they love them for traveling, they love them for plane rides because you're just wearing a sock, and lots of airports make you take off your shoes. So you just take off a sock, put them back on real quick and easy. It's very comfortable on a plane. Comfortable on the beach. They say these things are good for running, trail hiking, everything. I don't think I'll use them for that. I'll use my hiking shoes. But I decided to give them a go. So let's go ahead and take a look. Do I need a knife? I'm not sure. Oh no, these pull right out. So what we have here, I got the kind of like greenish, brownish with a black undersole. See if we can get this to focus on this very well. Basically, you got a black undersole that's kind of rubberized and a top thing that is sock material. I got the medium, which as they say is from 7.5 to 9.5, and my feet are around 9.5, usually sometimes 10. So these should fit well. They come with a carrying case, and that is all that's in the box other than a little piece of paper here, like a warranty card. Little case, you can use it or not, but these will kind of circle up. And you got one shoe that fits into about the size of a baseball, but a different shape. Fits in the size of your palm. And then you can wrap up another shoe. And you got two socks that fit in still about the size of a baseball, definitely smaller than a softball, not that big. Put these in your backpack. So the reason I bought these is I'm going to be going to the Bahamas, being on some beaches, being on a cruise, and these might be great to walk around the cruise. I can go in the pool, I can go off the boat, go to a beach, walk around the little town area, and have something that I don't get sand in my shoes, because that's my problem. I don't want to be on the beach and get sand inside my main shoes. That just is a pain, and it's just annoying, and it's a lot of cleaning. Whereas these are socks, so they kind of hug your ankle, so sand shouldn't get in there too badly, and it's just something to wear. Now, like I said, I've seen some reviews, and some people that use these extremely, or use them often, have said there's some cracking and stuff of the soles, which is not good, especially for this price point. If they were 15 bucks, I understand, but these are 60 bucks, $59.99 about. So cracking the shoe should not happen anytime soon. Now I'm going to kind of treat these a little more carefully. I'm going to wear them on the boat, on the beach, kind of wear them as water shoes, let's say. So hopefully they'll last me a good long time. But let's go ahead and try these on. So take off my shoes and socks. I didn't even use my knife. I guess that package was already open, but the shoes look new. And they are 1 foot each. I don't know if you can tell from back here, but they're shaped for right foot and left foot. So these are obviously the right foot. Oh, they fit me well. I'm 9.5 about, and the medium fits me perfect. Go ahead and put on these other ones. These feel like socks, except the bottom does feel a little bit harder. And the bottom isn't super hard, but it'll protect you from, you know, the heat of the sand if it's hot out there, or it'll protect you from like seashells and, you know, other little things on the beach. A nail would probably go right through this, so, you know, don't wear this on a construction site or something, but it would protect you on the beach just enough. You can walk in the water, you can walk across rocks and stuff. Go ahead and put this camera down a little bit. Sorry about my cat food and stuff on the table. So, they actually feel pretty good. It feels like I'm just walking around almost barefoot, although I have kind of shoes on. And as you can see what they look like, I feel like I could walk around a cruise ship and not feel weird. Like I have something on my feet. It's not like I'm walking around barefoot. And on a cruise ship, you can walk around barefoot anyway, so that would be fine. But going to a beach or something and just having these, this is good. They feel pretty sticky, as in terms of you're not going to slip. Put the camera back up. Oh, that might be too high. And now you can kind of not see my face, but I lean back so you can. So on the bottom we have the, I don't know what they call it. It's a shoe bottom, but it's kind of sprayed on, I think. And it's, you know, it's not very thick, but it seems sturdy for now. I like the color of these green ones. And, you know, I would have they fit me perfect. 9.5. My toes fit perfect. I have fairly thin feet. I don't have like wide feet. The 7.5 to 9.5, the medium fits me perfect. I have no problem with that. I don't see any problems with it hurting my feet because it's all sock. It's not hard shoe. These should be great for beaches and cruise ships and such, like I bought them for. But I'd say they're a little expensive for what they are. You got a sock with some stuff on it. I'd feel better paying around $30 for it. $60 is a little high. But if they last a long time, especially since these aren't everyday shoes, if these last me 2, 3, 4 years, I'd be happy. You know, I'm happy spending $60 every 2, 3 years to have a nice pair of water shoes, let's say. And they are comfortable. I could see wearing these as slippers in the house even, because I don't really walk around barefoot all that often. I usually have socks on or slippers on. So these are real nice, easy slip on and off, real nice cleaning. Just put them in the clothes washer. And yeah, so that's the Skinners. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And I might do an update in the future based on how they do, how much I use them. If they do really bad and break up instantly, you know, I'll let you guys know. But overall, it's just a little, it kind of stays in form, but it's very flexible. And it can be rolled up. And then I would just roll probably one into the other. And now I could throw this in my bag. And if I go to a beach, I could take off my shoes, throw my shoes in my backpack, keep them sand free, and then wear these. So pretty cool. They're called Skinners. They've been out for a few years. They were on Kickstarter or one of those, you know, share sites. And yeah, I just had to give them a try. And like I said, I haven't tried them extensively yet, but I will update you guys in the future. So that's Skinners. Any questions or comments, let me know. And we'll see y'all later.